Of course, I would have an unboxing to start 2022. But look, I pre-ordered this October, I think. The album came out the end of December, and I don't know what's been going on with the mail, okay? But this took forever. I was trying to not be that person, you know what I'm saying? Be mad about a package. But it's here. It got here today, like earlier today. Finally being able to have access to the front office to even get my mail. But I got Monsta X's second full-length English album, The Dreaming. Now, I'm still waiting for rewatch access for the movie because I caught it on Live by Live, right? The movie was so good. I think I cried a couple of times, okay? And my bias was biasing heavily in the movie. Juhani, sir, I need you to keep all of that energy for the concert, okay? I need to see that on stage, please. And thank you. Uh, but yeah, while I struggle with this, so these are always packaged slightly different. When they're released here, it's still like, you know, the booklet and the CD and everything. But sorry, I am struggling. What is happening right now? Okay, got it. But you can always tell it's not. It's just not. And there's different versions. I don't remember if these were by member, or if it was just or if I just picked a random version. You know what I mean? I usually pick a random version. So, but it's thin, but it's pretty paper. And oh, forgot photo cards. My allergies are killing me. Okay. Ooh, and y'all, this is why I opened this on camera, because okay, before we even get to the booklet, right? I gotta see what my pulls are. Okay. Juhani. All my babies, Shonu included, because we miss him. We miss our Papa Bear. Stickers. I don't think I have any more room on my laptop, but I have notebooks we can stick it on. And of course, they give you a poster, which is the same as the little card that I just showed. This is gonna go up. Yes, it is. After I move, but this is gonna go up in the office for sure. And just so you know, I work at home, so home office. You know, I won't have to have my coworkers worried about me. So this serving visuals per usual. Why can I just not function regularly today, people? Why? Help me. Somebody please. Like, what is wrong with me today? I am malfunctioning. Okay. And then the little CD booklet, which just has, oh, it works. Okay, so it just has the tracks and lyrics. The whole album is in English for us, so it's cool. I hope their domestic fans still enjoy the English ones. I know it's the same for us. It's like we don't always know what they're saying. We have to look it up, but it's always worth it. So I hope it's the same for them. And we're gonna flip through the book because that could always. Oh yeah, so giveaways. Track listing. I need to see it just so I can know what I'm talking about right now. So, do I have a favorite song? Your Problem is just so cute. Whispers in the Dark did get me right away. So that is a favorite. Secrets, yeah. Everything is good. Like, everything is really, really, really good. If anything, my boys are known for quality. Okay? Quality music. Every project, Korean or English. Quality music. The Dreaming is so, it's a beautiful song. It said, see, I can't let them do this to me. Like, so this is what we're doing. 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 Yep. I'm scared for the rest of this. Wow. I mean, I can understand why, like, new Monsta fans, or some older ones are just now kind of looking at Honey like, wait a minute. I picked him out as a bias when I saw the Hero video, and he has grown tremendously since then. And and the vision. This one though, that one, and it's his birthday today while I'm recording this. And Papa, just because it's Papa, and it's gonna be so crazy to see a concert without him, but it's okay. Oh wow, there's a lot of pictures in here. Like the one day visual stuff. I am getting American boy band. See, but they did this with the first English album. They're giving us boy band, which I'm not saying that as an insult. That's other people who take that as an insult. But that is a beautiful thing to see it translate so beautifully here, you know. But these, I mean, there's more. I don't know if my heart can take more pictures. I really don't know if I can take any more pictures, y'all. I can't. Why? They're so cute. I'm so proud. And the album's amazing. So, is there anything else that really needs to be said? Is there anything else that really needs to be said? I'll have to put my blog post down below because I think I talked about the album a bit. So, check for that. And more stuff to come, more content to come. But I just wanted to come through and quickly do this just because I'm always excited. Whether I have too many unboxing videos or not, I'm always excited to get new stuff. So I'll be back with some more content, some more social media posts. All my links will be in the description. So yeah, go check that out, and I'll be back with some stuff. So, easy junkie. I know. Later.